Good morning, art lovers. I hope you're doing great today. Here in Dallas, I have such a beautiful sunny day, and I'm just so glad because last week we had so much rain. Today it's gonna be a painting tutorial where we will explore the serene beauty of butterflies through the use of neutral colors. I started with the sketching of the outline of the butterfly on my canvas using acrylic paint, and I try to observe the reference image of the butterfly for guidance. Remember, this sketch just serves as a rough guideline, so don't worry about making it perfect. Now let's apply a base layer of a light beige color to the butterfly's wing. With a medium-sized brush, I carefully filled in the larger sections of the wings, following the natural patterns found in the reference image. Blend the colors gently, creating a smooth transition between the base layer and the wing details. For the base of the upper wings, I used a soft ivory. This delicate color choice will set the stage for the intricate beauty that will unfold on the canvas later. And this ivory has like a warm undertone. It will bring a sense of grace and elegance to the butterfly. I continue to use the same ivory color for the lower wings, and I just kind of like blend and gently guide the brush across the wing. The colors seem like it dances along the surface, creating a soft and subtle glow that is just so inviting. To add depth and texture to the wings, choose darker colors than the previous one. Now we want to apply the feathery strokes along the wings, edges, and wings, just kind of mimicking the delicate patterns found on butterfly wings. You want to take your time with this step as it will bring life and dimension to your artwork. I know a lot of times we see butterflies painting in like rainbow and bright colors, but neutral color butterflies, although that they are more subtle in their appearance, they still have a unique and enchanting beauty. Their muted tones, such as shades of beige, cream, and gray, can create a soft and soothing aesthetic. I want to enhance the luminosity of the wings, so I will add highlights to it. I chose a lighter color, or you can use like pale cream or a soft ivory, and then I would identify the areas where light would naturally hit the wings, and these could be the top surfaces or specific spots on the wings. Use a fine brush and apply the lighter color sparingly, concentrating on these highlight areas. This technique adds brightness and creates a sense of illumination. Now I start layering the smaller markings and the spots that are unique to the butterfly that I'm painting. This step requires patience and precision, so take your time and just gradually build up the details. Now it's time to add the dots that will elevate your butterfly wings to a new level. I use this small brush and pure white acrylic paint. I'm carefully and strategically place the dots across the wings, focusing on the areas where I want to draw attention to. Remember to vary the size and the placement of the dots. Some dots can be a little larger and more prominent, while others can be smaller and scattered. Let your imagination guide you and don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements. I think painting a neutral color butterfly can actually be very beneficial to beginner painters because neutral colors such as shades of beige, cream, and gray offer a simplified color palette compared to vibrant and complex hues. This can be advantageous for beginners as we can focus more on mastering fundamental painting techniques such as brush control, blending, and shading without the added challenge of managing a wide range of colors. Thanks a lot for joining me on this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, happy painting!